Yes, sir. Again, the Kaveri water is flowing to the Tamil Nadu. What is your reaction?
I'm really shocked about the Kaveri Pradhikara given the verdict today. I think it is the failure of the Karnataka government because they're not proper representation in the Kaveri region. What is the happening in Kaveri region? We are in the drought position. There is no water for irrigation. There is no water for the drinking. Already is a drought all over Karnataka, especially in Kaveri belt also. I also visited last 10 days back. Sugar cane has already there is no water. There is no water. So means this government has not, and the legal team has not convinced the Kaveri Pradhikara in the proper way because we have no water in KRS also. So there is no proper representation from the Karnataka. That's why he fail. Because Mr. D.K. Kumar is fail. He went to the cockroach party in Delhi protest. One day he spent there. Why not one day is not spent for Kaveri problem? He discussed any our lawyers, any lawyers team? No, nothing. Means he failed. He failed to convince the Kaveri Pradhikara. That's why the result came. I think immediately they have to go appeal. Up to now, there is no water to Tamil Nadu.
Also, a protest